Hey everyone, well it's Sunday today and I come to the shops because I decided I'm going to buy a new camera, and for 4 years I've been looking for one, and well there's one I want that's on special, but I don't know if I want it yet and I'm still really confused. It costs a lot of money. I'm really confused. Anyway, let's go and buy one. Maybe. Well, I got a new camera. It wasn't one I was going to get. This one's actually different. They're just so big. The one I was going to get was like this big. And I thought, I can't carry that around. So I'll give this one a go, and if I don't like it, then I'll just sell it to one of you guys. So we just went shopping, and look what we picked up. These are $5, reduced to $1. Something Brothers, it's ham anyway, leg ham. Got 2 of them.
Smoked ham.
And then when we get home, we found a tomato in the garage. There's someone at the neighbour's garage. So I don't know if it fell out, but anyway, we got a free tomato as well. Yes! And then when we were at Woolworths, I saw old Devon again, and I waved to him, and he's like, oh, hi! And then I look over there, and there's Devon again. And yeah, so there's twins, like identical twins, you know. I never know what to do with identical twins. Do you, Bernice? Rightio, well, it's the afternoon. We stuffed around today. Now we got Bernice feeding the ducks.
Duckies!
Oh, I'm so full. I was just lying on the couch watching the cricket. And I bought this dip for $1. And it's a pesto dip, and I was eating it with these rice crackers. I tell you what, it's really nice, but now I've eaten the whole thing of dip and now I feel like crap. Oh well, you know it'll make me feel better. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Oh yeah. Oh wow, Bernice. It's the seagull whisperer. Look at them going, Burka. Sounds like a group of women. The love boat soon will be making another run. Is this a pension day or something on the boats? God, it looks like it. So I bought some of these iron jacks so my uncle could try them. He didn't rate them that much. Pretty much all the reviews on them aren't that good. And it wasn't as nice as I thought it was the first time either. So, well, you get that. So he said take them home because we don't want them. So, okay then. I don't mind, that's half a carton. I only drank half a carton in 2 days. It's pretty good. Or bad, either way you look at it. It's watery and fizzy, but hey, what beer isn't? Bernice loves feeding the birds. And the birds love Bernice. So these swans are just cleaning themselves, and we were asking, how do you differentiate between a male and female swan? Well, apparently the swan's beak right there bulges out, so they're sporting a bulge. The men, lucky bastards. Shows me. And their necks are thicker as well.
Ham. So much ham.
Anyway, this is dinner. Bernice just whipped it up. Some quinoa. Quinoa. Some frozen vegetables reheated. cheapest way to go, I reckon. And that $1 ham. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's the tomato we found on the ground.
Yes.
And onion. Sweet. What a meal. How much do you reckon this meal cost? Hey, where'd you go?
Yeah.
So I reckon that tomato was free. Onion, hardly anything. That's about 35 cents worth. What's that worth in quinoa? About $1? Is that $1 meal, you reckon, or $1.50?
$1.50.
$1.50? Are you sure it's not like $3? Just pretend the camera's not there, okay? It's not there. She would tell me normally, wouldn't you? She'd be going, no, that's $5.50, 5, 6, except on a public holiday plus 10%. But her brain moves at 1,000 beats a second. Is that pure onion?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't even get any ham. Okay, say goodbye.